Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will explain you how to design or implement the basic gates by using Logisim application. And at the same time, we shall verify the truth table of our basic gates with the gate which we have constructed. These particular concepts you can use for purpose of implementing the basic gates to perform your logical design laboratory programs. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. In this particular video, I will show you how to design the basic gates and verify the working of the basic gates by using Logisim application. First open the Logisim application which you have downloaded. Now click on the plus or near the gates. Then now click on not gate and click on the application. So this is the not gate. For this you need to supply the input. So before that, if you want, you can give the label for that one as not, so that particular name will appear here, and you can make that one bold also. Okay, now for this we have to select the input pin. The input pin is this one. Click on the application, and this is the output pin. So now just make the wire connection from input to the NOT gate and NOT gate output to the output pin. Now you can observe, if the input is 0, the output is 1, and if the output is 1, then the input will be 0. So just click on this one, that is what, change values within the circuit, where you can click over here. So if you make this one as 1, the output is 0. If you make this one as 0, then the output will be 1. So you can even give the names for the input as well as the output. Click on this one, give the name as A, and what will be an output? The output will be A bar. So just write A, click on enter. So even we can change the size of the variable. So just make it bigger one. So I just made it as 18. So it is A and it is what? A bar. So to draw an bar, click on this label. Okay, where this one, click on label, then click on the application, then right here the minus sign. Okay, press enter. Now this minus sign which appears over here, okay, make that one of an bigger size. So here font, make this one of a bigger size, so that you will get the bar with a bigger size. Now click on this arrow mark. Now you can change this one by moving that one over here. So now you can see this is A and this is A bar. Okay, so again I will show you the working of this one. Click on this one, that is I'm changing the values. So if the input is 0, then the output is 1. If the input is 1, then the output is 0. So this is what the implementation of a NOT gate. So you can see in a NOT gate truth table, if the input is 0, the output is 1. If the output is 1, then the input is 0. So that only we have done. If the input is 0, the output is 1. If the input is 1, you can see the output is 0. So for this one, you can give the label as here NOT gate. Okay, you can change the size of the font, and you can make that one also a band bold. Okay, now I will draw another one gate, that is the AND gate. Okay, click on the label. So first I will write here the label name as AND gate. I'll make this one as a bold and make this one of a bigger size. Okay, just change the position of this one in the center. Now we know an AND gate. So AND gate is what? An AND gate is an gate which consists of 2 or more input signal and 1 output signal. So here I am considering the truth table of two input signals A and B, but you can see the output will be high only if all the inputs are high. In all other cases it will be low. That means if all the inputs are 1, the output will be 1. In all other cases the output will be 0. This is for an 2 input AND gate, and this is a symbol of a 2 input AND gate. Now I'll draw that one. So first in the gates, click on AND. So this is an AND gate. For this we require 2 inputs. So one, another one, 2 inputs. Now do the wire connection from first and the second to the gate. So you can give the name for this one as AND. Okay. Then for this one the input name as A, and increase the font size of that one and make it as a bold. And this one as an input, that is a B, label name as B, and then font size make it as 18 and make it as bold. Now from this we get the output. So this output has to be connected to an output pin. Click on this one. This is an output pin. Click on the application. Now the output has been connected. For this one give the label as A.B and change the font size as well as make it as bold. So now I can see A and B as the input and the output is A.B. According to the truth table, you can see over here, if both are 0, the output is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, it will be 1. That means if all the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. In all other cases it will be 0. So to change the values, click on this one. That is what? Change and values within the circuit. So now initially all are 0, the output is 0. So I'll make as 0, 1. So then also the output is 0. I'll make it as 1, 0. Then also the output will be 0. So if all the inputs are 1, 1, 1, then the output is 1. That is what we have verified an AND gate. Similarly, we shall draw an OR gate, that is construction OR gate. First I'll write a label OR gate. I'll just increase the font size of this one and I'll make it as a bold. Okay. Then I will take an OR gate. Click on this arrow, right click on this OR gate. So it's an OR gate symbol. For this one you can give the label as OR. Then we require the inputs. So again the same, click on this one, this is an input A, another one input as B. So for first one, click and give the label as A, increase the font size and make it as bold. Then similarly for the second one, take the input as B and make the font size increasing by 20 and make it as bold. You can increase of any size you require. Then do the wire connection from here to here, that is an input A and input B has been connected. Then we require an output, so that one have pin connected. So from this one connect to the output pin. Now to check whether it is working correctly or not, just look at the truth table of an OR gate. So by observing the truth table of an OR gate, you can see this is for an 2 input OR gate. So if the inputs are low, then the output will be low. That means if all the inputs are low, the output will be low. If any one of the input is 1, that means 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1, the output will be 1. If all the inputs are low, then the output will be low. If any one of the input is high or if all the inputs are high, the output will be high. So according to that, an OR gate. So to click on this one, change the logical values. So initially it is 0, that means the output will be 0. So if you make this one as 1, 0, the output will be 1. And if you make it as 0, 1, the output will be 1. If you make both as 1, then the output will be 1. So if both the inputs are 0, then the output will be 0. So for this output you can give the label. So what is that? It is A plus B. Change the font size and make it as an bold. Click on OK. So once again I will show you. If all the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If we make the first one as 1, second one will be 0, that is 1 0 will be 1. And if we make first one as 0 and second one as 1, that is 0 1, then it will be a 1. If we make all as 1, then the output will be 1. So this is about drawing an basic gates, that is a NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, by using an Logisim application and verifying the truth table. With respect to the truth table, verifying whether we are getting an correct output. So in this way you can implement the basic gates in Logisim application to complete your program with respect to digital logic lab. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy